write the value of argument of z plus argument of z bar, conjugate of z. Let argument of z, which is equal to theta, let us consider. So when the case 1, let us consider when theta belongs to the quadrant 1, then z bar, z lies in, that is z lies in first quadrant, and its conjugate z bar lies in quadrant fourth one. Since we know that conjugate is always, it's a mirror image under the real axis. If z is here, then the mirror image of complex number z under the real axis will be its conjugate. That is, if z is equal to x plus iy, then z bar is equal to x minus iy. Means here real part will be the same and only imaginary part sign will change. So if it is plus y, it changes to minus y. Even if it is taken in the second quadrant, if z is in the second quadrant, then its conjugate will be in third quadrant. Or if it is in the third quadrant, its conjugate will be in the second quadrant. If it is in the fourth quadrant, then its conjugate will be in the first quadrant. So that if z lies in the quadrant 1, then z bar lies in the quadrant 4. So that the argument of z will be taken as theta. Then argument of z bar, since it is in the fourth quadrant, so we'll take minus theta. So that the sum is argument of z plus argument of z bar is equal to 0. So even if you consider in the second quadrant, when theta belongs to the second quadrant, then z, argument of z is equal to pi minus theta, then argument of z bar is equal to minus pi plus theta, and again the sum is nothing but argument of z plus argument of z bar, which is equal to pi minus pi 0 and minus theta plus theta is 0. So we can get the answer 0. And even in the third quadrant is similar to this second one, we can say. Let me write that third case. When theta belongs to quadrant 3, then argument of z will be taken minus pi plus theta, then argument of z bar, because z bar will be lying in second quadrant, so minus, this is pi minus theta, so that the sum is equals to 0. Even if you consider the fourth quadrant, when theta belongs to the fourth quadrant, so that is argument of z is equal to minus theta, then argument of z bar is equal to, it will be in the first quadrant, so we'll consider theta. So again the sum will be equals to 0. So in any case, either the complex number is in the first quadrant or second quadrant or any quadrant, so in any case we can consider, if suppose if it is on the real axis, so it will be the same, and if it is on the negative real axis also, it will be the same. So in that case we can consider argument of z is equal to, this is 0, or here argument of z is equal to, here pi we can say. So finally we can give the answer, the value of argument of z plus argument of z bar will be equals to 0.